As you know, we have done in the previous class the meaning of investment multiplier. Investment multiplier explains the relationship between initial increase in investment and resultant increase in national income. It means that when investment increases, national income also increases, but national income increases in a multiple fold, many more time than increase in investment. So this is investment multiplier, which is denoted by K, explain the multiplying effect of investment on national income. If investment increases, how many time more national income will increase? That is explained with the help of investment multiplier, which we have done earlier with the numerical example. In this session, I'll explain you the investment multiplier function with the help of graph. Here the basic formula is K is equals to investment. K is investment multiplier is equals to change in national income divided by change in investment. Delta Y is change in national income and delta I change in investment. So it explains change in national income due to change in investment. This can be explained with the help of graph. We will make a diagram. You will note that in the diagram, x-axis represents national income, output or aggregate supply. X-axis always is representing in this lesson, always it is national income, output or aggregate supply. Here y-axis is showing you saving and investment. Now, this red color line, which is II, is investment curve, which remains constant at all level of income. Whether the income is 100, 200, 300, it is constant because in short period, investment cannot be changed easily. Another curve is SS curve, which is starting from negative side and it is upward sloping. SS curve is saving curve, which represents savings in the economy at different level of income. At zero level of income or at very low level of income, there is some amount of this saving. This area, you can see this area in the diagram, shows this particular area shows this saving, and this point, this particular point in the diagram shows zero saving, and as it is going upward, showing positive saving. Now, the most important point here is to note that point E, this is point E. Point E actually is equilibrium point because here planned saving and planned investment both are equal. II curve and SS curve intersect at point E. So this is equilibrium point, and equilibrium level of income is 300. 300 is equilibrium level of income. Now what happens that investment has increased by 10%. We have done an increase in the investment by 10%. So the investment curve has changed from II to I dash I dash. The new investment curve is I dash, which is intersecting the saving curve at E dash. The new equilibrium point is E dash. And new equilibrium level of income, employment or output is this M dash, which is 340. Now, if you note that investment has increased by 10%, whereas national income has increased by 40%. So national income has increased more than increase in investment. If we want to calculate the value of investment multiplier, we'll substitute the value in the formula. K is equals to delta Y by delta I. Delta Y is change in national income and delta I is change in investment. Change in national income is 40% and change in investment is 10%. So the value of investment multiplier is K. 4, K is equals to 4, which means that national income has increased 4 times as that of increase in investment. Now, Here we will study about another aspect also, that is what is the relationship between investment multiplier and MPC, marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume is the tendency of the people to consume, what proportion of their income they are consuming. If they're consuming 50% of their income, the value of MPC will be 0.5. If the people are consuming 70% of their income, the value of MPC will be 0.7. If people are consuming 85% of their income, the value of MPC will be 0.85. So MPC shows the proportion of income the people of an economy are consuming. Higher, the MPC and investment multiplier both are positively related, directly related. Higher the value of MPC, higher will be the value of investment multiplier. If the value of MPC is, let us take one example here. If the value of MPC is 0.8, means 80% of their income people are consuming, the investment multiplier will be K is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. That is the relationship between investment multiplier and MPC. So 1 divided by 1 minus MPC is 1 divided by 1 minus 0.8. That will become 1 divided by 0.2. It is 10 by 2. That is K is equals to 5 times. The value of investment multiplier is 5. Let us take another example where the value of MPC is 0.5, which means 50% of their income people are spending and 50% they are saving. So according to the formula, K is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC, that is 1 minus 0.5, that will become 10 by 5, that is the value of investment multiplier will be 2. If you note here, you will find that when MPC is 0.8, the value of investment multiplier is 5. When MPC has decreased to 0.5, the value of investment multiplier has also decreased to 2, from 5 to 2. So higher the value of MPC, higher will be the value of investment multiplier. Lower the value of MPC, lower will be investment multiplier. Keep it in your mind that MPC and investment multiplier are directly related. So higher the amount people are consuming, spending their income on consumption, more will be the value of investment multiplier, will means national income will increase more. Now let us move to another topic, the relationship between investment multiplier and MPS, marginal propensity to save. What proportion of their income people are saving? That is called marginal propensity to save. Here, multiplier and MPS are inversely related. Higher the value of MPS, lower the value will be of multiplier will be. Means if people are saving more, the multiplying effect will be less. For example, if the value of MPS is 0.8, the formula here of investment multiplier with MPS is K is equals to 1 divided by MPS, inversely related. So 1 divided by 0.8, which means 10 by 8, which means K is equals to 1.25. Another example, if we take when the value of MPS is 0.5, means 50% of their income people are saving, the value of multiplier is 2. So when MPS was more, the investment multiplier was less. The value of investment multiplier was less. When the value of MPS is less, the value of investment multiplier is more. Now we will move to another topic, what is the minimum and maximum value of investment multiplier and when it will be and how it will be calculated. The range of investment multiplier, range means the minimum value and maximum value, difference between minimum and maximum value. The minimum value of investment multiplier is 1 and maximum value of investment multiplier is infinity. Keep it in your mind. The range is from 1 to infinity. Minimum value is 1 and maximum is infinity. When the value of investment multiplier will be 1, when MPC is 0, the value of investment multiplier will be 1. Can you see here on your screen? K is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. When the value of MPC is 0, 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So remember that when MPC is 0, whenever MPC is 0, the value of investment multiplier will be 1. What will be the value of investment multiplier? Will be 1. When MPC is 1, when MPC is 1, the value of investment multiplier will be infinity. How? Let us see here that K is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Here MPC value is 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. In the denominator it will become 0. 1 divided by 0 will become infinity. Anytime, keep it in your mind. If in the denominator 0 is there, any value is there in the numerator, the final result will be infinity or not defined. So here the value of investment multiplier is infinity when MPC is 0. And when MPC is 0, investment multiplier is 1. And when MPC is 1, investment multiplier is infinity. Numericals can be asked on the basis of these formulas.